Let's continue here. They're showing some discoloration on the side of the phone. Nothing like spending this much money on a phone for that to happen. They're showing discoloration on the other side. Yeah, that looks like a quality product. There are reports of bubbles and discolored squares. This happens for units destined for the US, Chinese, and EU markets. A teardown guy shows Apple's 15 and said there was dust in the lens and motherboard. This raises an interesting quality issue. Some iPhone 15 are said to be made in India, although it seems like the Pros are made in China. Some suspect that the quality is not good and are unwilling to buy them. Someone else came forward and said that the production lines, accessories, and quality control standards are the same. Why are not good? Again, like I said, the English here, it's translation. But now it seems like there's other sources coming forward saying that that's not the only issue with the iPhone 15 Pro line. There's many other quality control issues. Now, this is being translated, I believe, from Chinese, so there may be some stuff here that's lost in translation, but you could generally understand it. I'll have a link to the Twitter thread below, and buckle up, it's a doozy. I would hold off a little bit on the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. Let's go. Some iPhone 15 Pro units appear to have display misalignment, dirt on the camera lenses, which is a mortal sin, scratches on the screen, and signs of damage in various areas. And they show pictures here. Let's take a look at these pictures. You see it right there. There's some